CSS. Combinators are advanced way of selecting stuff in CSS. So let's come here. So basically here I have the single file. I'm using Visual Studio. I'm using live server to display this content. So here we have a header. The header has 2 items in it. It's kind of like a link. So you have 2 items and a section that has another item. So this is like sub menu, and these are the main menus. After that, we have another header called more content, and we have 3 paragraphs. Great. So now we're trying to use CSS to select a different combination of this. So first of all, I want to select the header. Let's just change the background of the header to green. So now the background, now it's green, so we could see that screen. It's kind of hard to read with the text. So now, how do we select these ones? So combinators have 4 different kind of selection. One is called a descendant selection. So if I just say H4 here, and you see I selected these H4s. So I'm selecting the H4 descendant of header. So the header has 2 children and 1 grandchild. So since we're selecting the descendant, it's gonna select all of them. But if we do greater than sign, now we're selecting the direct child, the direct child of a header, that is H4. So now these are 2 direct children of header, but this is a grandchild. So only the first 2 is selected. Submenu is not selected. So that means that is a way you can select the direct child of an element. There is one called sibling. So if I just say plus and I save this, not H4, because we don't have any H4 siblings, but we have paragraphs. So if I save that, actually we don't have paragraphs, we have H1. So let me just remove the H. If I say that, nice. So now you can select the next child, the next sibling. So it's called adjacent sibling. And now we're saying, hey, give me the B that is next to the H. So that is a way to select this specific B without giving it an ID. And if you want to select all the children, all the B paragraph children of H, then you can just use a general sibling. So that means basically the general sibling. So if I say select to that, now I selected all the B's. So I'm saying select all the B siblings of header. Yeah, that's kind of confusing, but that's basically the main that are the main combinators. So let me kind of write down here so you can write it down. So we have descendant, which is basically space. Then we have descendant, which is space, and we have child, direct child. I want to say direct child. So direct child selector, which is not a space, but greater than sign. And I would like to kind of do that. Good. So here we have this, and then we have adjacent sibling. That would be plus. Then we have general sibling, and general sibling is the tilde. Yeah, that's all it. See you in the next video.